Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Interactive session with producers group held in Jawai. Kasur Kinnong West questions the show cause notice issued by the Deputy Commissioner to the 6 members of Kasur Kinnong Maulai. Kakanhuan Kiseng Bhalang Mawsonram CNRD block demands upgradation of Mawsonram Community and Rural Development Block to Civil Subdivision. And MCCL employees face hardships due to non-payment of salary for many months. And now the news in detail. An interactive program with producers group on the farming collectivization for upscaling production and marketing system focus was held today at District Library Auditorium, Minthong, Jawai. The chief guest for the program was Shri P.K. Boro, Additional Deputy Commissioner and Project Director DRDA West Jaintia Hills, Dr. D.I. Kajam, District Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Officer, Shri C. Najiar, District Horticulture Officer, Srimati S.E. Kinjing, Shri B. Nyang, officers from the Horticulture and Agriculture Department Jawai, and Shri Chanki Lingdor, Managing Director Chanki Liang Development Society, NGOs partners. Speaking as the chief guest, Project Director DRDA Shri P.K. Boro encouraged farmers to make use of the assistance provided by the state government in a productive manner to upscale their knowledge and to carry out farming work without any hesitation. He requested the NGO partners Shore and Chanlanki Development Society to guide and train the farmers on how to enhance their productivity.
To upscale their knowledge, how to produce more for the survival and to contribute towards the building of the state and the nation, to play a very, very active role. As the director from Central Development Society has put it on you, the moment we get some grants, we take it very, very badly. There is no planning. There is no planning at all. When we say planning, we take it a very big word. Actually, planning starts from home. If we think it, actually it starts from home. It's very simple. You know, per day or per month, how many liters of mustard we buy. How many rice we need to consume this rice for our family. How many soaps we buy? How many shirts or other things we purchase daily life? If we calculate that thing in terms of economics, it's also planning. Without planning, we cannot move forward. You know that at home, be poor and rich people, we have planning. Some family they need 5 kg rice, or maybe 6 or 8.
The newly formed organization, Kakanhuan Kiseng Bhalang Mawsonram CNRD block today, met Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and demanded for upgradation of Mawsonram CNRD block to civil subdivision. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the Chief Minister, the Meghalaya legislator Himalaya Shangplyang, who represents Mawsonram Assembly constituency, termed the meeting with the Chief Minister as positive. Shangplyang said that the Chief Minister told the members of the organization that Mawsonram deserves to get a civil subdivision.
Leader of the board of the NGOs, and they have invited me and the MDC to be part of this delegation to meet the Chief Minister to demand the civil subdivision. We had a very fruitful discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister. Chief Minister was very positive in his approach. He said that he would be examining the matter, he would be looking into this aspect, though there are many demands for civil subdivisions across the state. There is a demand from Laskain area, there is a demand from Patarkma, there is a demand from other areas as well, including Mawsonram. And therefore, he considered it very positive that Mawsonram should be given a subdivision. And I appeal to the Chief Minister that he would not have to spend much money if civil subdivision is considered for Mawsonram, for the reason that Mawsonram already has a lot of infrastructures. It has an SDO PHE office already, SDO MSCB already. It has two SDO PWDs with one division where engineers sit. Then we have the Brahmo.
On the other hand, the headman of Mawsonram, last born Shangpiang, informed that the people of Mawsonram have been demanding upgradation of Mawsonram CNRT block to civil subdivision since the 80s. The headman said the people of Mawsonram need to get the new civil subdivision because the people are facing so much hardship to come all the way to the office of the Deputy Commissioner in Shillong.
Area jongka Tanjung isi, lekila jong matlay tu iba kalau ini baru, kita beri dia kendo, kalau nanti kesengkian tu, hang, kalau jengah ada kata, kalau kata jenglut jengsat jong kibun bentuk kibuli, tanggung tak kami berit, bangun malar kapan sedisi office sesuatu. Ting isngau bakani kejungan jongi, apa yang di Musang Halang, ini di nonglam shop dua dia barna ya, nong ni nong macam ni ambil yang isi. Kerjanya kan dulu chief kalau ini bagi don di positive side kalian jongi. Mereka ini kebawa keren snap macam skor ha, mereka apa mau Gio London mulai tip.
The Sur Kinong West today strongly criticized the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills for issuing show cause notice to the 6 members of Sur Kinong Maulai for violation of protocol issued by the state government. The organization questioned the issuing of show cause notice to a handful of people when a large number of people participated during the various agitational programs. The members of Sur Kinong West, who met the family members of slain surrendered HNLCC Thankyou, said they would support Thankyou's family and Sur Kinong Maulai in their struggle to justice.
Hais kazil berkumjuru nadu kasur jung mulai berparok ki ngilalong ke beteli lesi kani ngilalong ke jingkerku kadeka plan ka ba national net jung nongbu nong thau jung i ba kani kade lenti te nagleng jung i kasur jung nong west hadu mentang idang yang hi ban kersan ya ke ba i sur jung nong mulai idang ya chakmat kumju ko porong i kersan ya ka ying kasem bangi de ban yo ya ka jing bishar ko bahok nam tai ni rang ba te ya ju ko por kum kasur jung nong west ru ni penram ya ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi District ibala pha ya ka shukos notice hakin ki ndrungut ki ro rang ba jong ka molai ajisya ni solongo ya ni banta esela daga dai kum kata la dai ngila ngat lang nomor borok si ka jai buru ka laki te ai shukos notice tang ai ndai la jet ki ndrungut te nagliang jongi ngi ai man sim ni rang ba ya chakmat nagliang jongi kersan but let's say nagaliang jong ki bor bade berpai let's say ki don ke ai bak pressure na lendat let's say sa poi du kan ni lewat kata nagaliang jong ni ai mesim ki but ngi kesan let's say nagaliang jong hakanu guru por ba kajai pun golong badon kam na kasur jong west ilong ba klai ba mi chawat nam ta.
Employees of Maumulo Chera Cement Limited are facing enormous hardship as the cement company is yet to pay the salary for many months. These employees have sought the support of the different political parties to speak about their problem in the autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, which begins from tomorrow. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary Prince Kemlingdo said the employees are facing big hardships as their salaries has been stopped since the cement company stopped their production.
The status of the factory and the non-payment of the salary. We have given the memorandum to all the political parties because we understand that all the political parties, whether from the different party, they have to come together to an understanding that MCCL is a state asset and we are, as the worker, we are also the asset of the state. So we request you at this point of time that to take this information to all the relevant authorities, whether in the ruling, whether in the opposition, that we are the state as that as long as the MCCL plan will not run, the problem of our financial problem will keep piling up. We understand that these months government has given us some financial assistance, but you have to understand that financial assistance is just a consolidated payment. It's not the same as the salary, and that's why we come again to appeal to all the concerned authorities that to please speed up the process, whether we are going forward with any option that the government has given, that the plan should run. That is the main thing.
St. Anthony's High Secondary School today felicitated its students who passed with flying colours in the Meghalaya Board of School Education. The felicitation program was graced by Father Jeevan Lakra, Rector of Salesian Training Centre, Father Anthony Karkongor, Father Anthony Walang, Vice Principal, teachers, students and parents. Speaking to Don Bosco Media Network, the students expressed gratitude to parents, teachers and to their friends for their kind support to achieve their goals.
I would give all credit to God firstly, my parents, because although they weren't here, because my mother was quite sick and they had some problems to tend to, but they did support me in every way possible, and I'm really thankful for all of that. I thank my teachers because they were my parents when my own parents were not at home, and they did support me a lot. And they helped me out with every single problem that I had, and I'm really thankful. I'm also thankful to my own classmates who did encourage me, and they stopped me from just giving up on everything that I'd hoped to achieve. I thank all of them.
The reason for my success are my parents, my teachers and God. God has helped me a lot during the pandemic of COVID-19. It was really hard to cope up with the studies, but then my teachers, my parents, they were my support system. My brother has helped me a lot in my studies. He has always been there. He's just like my parent only. He is as similar to my father to me. He has always helped me. My friends were also a good support system. They always used to call me on how they are studying and how should we study. So I would give my entire credit to all this institution, the teachers, God and my parents.
So the school is felicitating you today. How do you feel?
It feels very nice to get felicitated. It feels like all your hard work is paying off today. It feels very nice seeing your juniors and thinking them that you are a role model for them today. It gives us some confidence that we need to do much better in our next classes.
Speaking on the occasion, Father Anthony Karkongor expressed deep appreciation to all those present and asked them to continue encouraging the students so that they too could achieve their goals.
Of commending and appreciating the students. It is a speech of not dictating but elevating, not a speech of patronizing but a speech of eulogizing on the achievement of our great erudite of our school. When we celebrate the great achievement, I am recalled with the poem that the class 12 are studying to the pupils of Hindu College. Here the poet portrays the emotions of a teacher seeing his students excelling in life. And our teachers too must have been said the same. What joyous reigns upon me when I feel fame in the mirror of futurity. Yes, the teachers, the schools are opening doors to the students. And it is the duty of the students to get inside and make use of all the opportunities. And I'm sure these students who have come up in great position, it is because they have made use of the opportunities. Things have not been futurity, things have not shattered, but it has bear fruit. And today it's a special day wherein our teachers have a sense of satisfaction, a sense of happiness, seeing that students have not wasted their time. Teachers' efforts and work have not been in vain, but have indeed brought fruits through the hard work the students have put in. Therefore, I wish bright future to these students of ours, and may God continue to guide and protect them wherever they are. God bless and thank you.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.